2008 Honda Accord 2.4 coupe. Doing the thermostat replacement. Fix the part number. There you go. I see a lot of videos online where they got to take out the whole intake and all this bullshit and that, and man, all you got to do is literally take off two bolts, the two fans. See that one fan there? Supposed to be another one here. One bolt here and one bolt here, and that little clip right there, and that's it, man. You just unplug it from here. Now you got all this fucking space to work here. Now literally the thermostat is only like 3 bolts, 1, 2, and one underneath. So I mean, you got all types of room down here to work with. So yeah, man, it's not that hard, and you don't need to take off all that shit.